Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
Here we are again with another Baja Michelada recipe. And if you want to know a lot about our products or want to try some new different flavors, new different formulas, new different recipes, go on our website, get some product, and we invite you to submit your own, and we'd love to feature them. So today we have something inspired by the Alva family, especially Raul and Ruben, who actually wanted us to do a mango inspired version. So this is a non-alcoholic version of our recipe. So for those of you who don't really like beer or don't have a preference in your liquor, what you could do is exciting things with our product. You know, Latinos love to have lime, salt, chili on a lot of things, even candy. And so this is another one of those wonderful things that tastes delicious, and it comes by way of our mango cup. So this is called the Mango Loco Michelada, and what we're going to be using, and we're featuring today, the juice by Monster, the Mango Loco juice. That's why the name. So here we go, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this cup, and inside this cup we have a flavor, a special flavor packet. It has a mango flavor, and we're going to open that up and just put it right here on the side. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some ice, just a little bit of ice for now, and pour it in there. And we're going to start putting in our Mango Loco juice. And this is a juice, Monster Energy, and it's incredibly wonderful. Tastes delicious, tastes great. We're not going to fill it right now. We're just going to pour some in there. We're going to take the flavor packet. We're going to pour that in there. And then we're going to give it a little bit of a, let's pour it all in there. All of it go in. Yeah. Oh, wow. This is good. And so we're going to take this and we're going to just mix it up a little bit. Just mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. And as we're mixing it up, guys, I smell the mango. I smell the flavor. We're going to take some pieces of mango here and we're just going to put them in the cup. Yes, that's what we're going to do. We're going to put them in the cup. And you don't have to put a whole lot, but you can put whatever you like. And for this demonstration, we're going to put a few little cubes here that we've already kind of pre-prepared. And it is incredible because the flavor goes into the fruit and it tastes so yummy. And those of you who understand the concept of the Latino culture, you can understand why we put this fruit in there and why we want to give it a little bit more mix here. And then we come back and we pour some more. And as a matter of fact, let's put some more ice because we want it nice and cold. This wonderful drink tastes incredible, but the colder the drink is, the better it always tastes. So here we go. We're going to fill this up. We're going to fill this up. And finally, we're going to do something wonderful. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of our lime, as we always enjoy lime. Lime is good. And we're going to squeeze in a couple of drops, not a whole lot, just a little bit. Gives it that little kick. And we're finally going to garnish it with our mango piece. And this, my friends, happens to be the Mango Loco. Just making sure we put it all in there. And it is incredibly delicious. So if you'd like to know more about all our recipes, go to www.bajamicheladas.com if you'd like to submit yours. And if you'd like to try us and give us your feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Guys, I'm going to enjoy this to good health. Oh, wow. Wow. And then you get a couple pieces of fruit. If you haven't tried this, my friends, I'm telling you, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go out and find yourself the Baja Michelada, the one with the shark. Get the mango cup, get some Mango Loco, get some pieces of mango, and let's drink to an incredible adventure.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito.